In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to turn back. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a series of linguistics. In linguistics, we commenced the chapter that is known as sociolinguistics. Sociolinguistics is the study of the relationship between language and society. Today, I'm going to teach you a diglossia. What is a diglossia? How diglossia is different from code switching and bilingualism. Listeners and audience, whenever we are talking about diglossia, diglossia is actually the existence or the coexistence of two varieties of a language in a community, in a society, that is called diglossia. In other words, whenever two varieties of a language they are spoken in a society or in a community, this is known as diglossia. And the very interesting example of diglossia is, for example, whenever a student, for example, he is in the school or college, he speaks standard variety in school, college, and university. He makes the use of formal words. On the other hand, the same student, when he is at home, he makes the use of non-standard variety. He does not make the use of standard variety, high variety. On the other hand, when he is speaking with his friends, definitely he also sometimes speaks like informal words. So this is the example of diglossia. So in diglossia, two different varieties, they are spoken by the people of the same language. Listeners and audience, remember that diglossia is totally different from code switching. Why? Because code switching is the use of two different languages, not two different varieties. And code switching is when you are shifting from one language and to another language. This is the example of, or this is the explanation of code switching. For example, yesterday I was talking about the definition about relative pronoun to the students in English language. And I thought that the student, they have little bit confusion about the definition in English language. So I switched from English language into Urdu language. And when I switched from from English language to Urdu language, the student got the point and their concept was clear after that. So code switching is actually shifting from one language into another language, sometimes to clear confusion. And whenever we are talking about bilingualism, bilingualism is actually related to two languages. It means when a person speaks two languages, that is called bilingualism. Or when there are two languages are spoken in a society, that society is called bilingual society. And when more than two languages are spoken, then we call multilingual society. So sometimes we say monolingual. A person or in a society when one language is spoken, we call monolingual society. When two languages are spoken, we say bilingual society. And when more than two languages are spoken, we call that society multilingual society. Hope that now you know about diglossia. Thank you.